This is Select 25212. Man City giveaway. Good luck. Five times. Here we go. We're the same. Don't need that at the moment. Definitely don't need that at the moment. Five times. Here we go. Now do I need to let you out?
Yes.
Here we go after this. Five times, here we go. Whoever's on top wins Man City. This case break of score. One, two, three, four, five. Bournemouth, five times. Bournemouth on top. Winning Man City. You ever been to the Man City?
Can't say I have.
Alright, here we go. Let's do it. Dejan Kulusevski, Muniz, Cachetto, Jimmy Trafford auto, rookie for Burnley. And Mateus Cunha to 175 camo for the Wolverhamptons. Nito, Silva Cole Palmer, Silva Elanga. Red Sander Burge and a silver Alexander Isaac. Tade Gabore, Ansu Fati. Tricolour dump shot for Liverpool. Silver Leon Bailey. What's on for the weekend, Ray?
I've not thought that far ahead.
Yeah, it's the same. Silver Clavets. White. Christopher Nkunku to 20 for Chelsea. That's very nice. Yeah, nah?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Blue Fati. Silver Lewis Cook. I think it's going to be a gross weekend, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like 30s.
Ugh.
Like into the weekend.
We do whatever it counts. To 49, purple Moises Cachetto for Chelsea. And an orange Alfie Doughty, number to 75 for Elktown.
Good
Yeah.
sweet weather.
Yeah, like in a pool, not good
Yeah.
beach weather.
Yeah.
Oh, artistic selections coming up. Nick Pope Silver, and it's Julian Alvarez for Man City. Very nice. And the blue camo to 110 of Mo Salah. You know, not great. Get 20,000 steps in. Alexander Isaac, Jose Sarr.
That's still gym treadmill or something.
Yeah. Tricolour Saliba, Silva Matea. I don't have a Fitbit at the moment though, so.
Oh, that's right. It's don't know that.
Silva Palhinha, unstoppable James Trafford rookie. And finally, Miller. And Craig Dawson auto for Wolverhampton. And a purple of Ilya Zabrani for Bournemouth, number to 149. Hey, Select 25212. I'll be back in a second.